many Vikings just rush up on a dragon? Now, obviously, don't do that. Oh, but, I know what you're thinking. It's okay. This person's just wearing stripes. Sorry, eels are striped and dragons don't like eels. Can you actually do me a favor? Can you take this hand and stick it out and slowly follow me? This is just a Viking bud. It's okay. Everything's all right. See what I told you? Everything's fine, right? You're okay, but I understand the cautious, attitude. All right, if you would like to pet him, now that he knows we're all friends here. Pet him right on top of the head.
Hi, Toothless. Oh,
There
that's a good boy.
Yeah, he's very sweet.
That's a good
But don't let
boy.
this cuteness fool you. He is the alpha dragon. So do you have big plans after this? Anything exciting on your to-do list?
We're gonna go visit the monsters.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the pub.
Now, pub, I understand. As a Viking, we have plenty of those. But maybe monsters are just, maybe they're misunderstood.
I think so.
I
Maybe.
remember there was a time we thought dragons were monsters. Well,
Exactly.
before you go, can we do a portrait together?